all borrowers in Llama Lend have soft liquidation protection, which gently liquidates and deliquidates you as collateral moves over a range of prices. To better understand this, let's click on the Advanced tab for more information. We can see that within this market, all the existing user collateral across every depositor to this market has been automatically spread out over a range of collateral prices. Ethereum is currently around $3,500, but most people's collateral does not get threatened until around $3,100 to $2,600. By default, your collateral will be deposited across 10 bands. For these parameters, this would give you a liquidation range between around $2,500 to $2,900. You can fine-tune this by clicking the Adjust button. This will affect the number of bands. Instead of the recommended default of 10 bands, you could spread this as high as 50 bands for safety. This would give you a much wider liquidation range, in this case between a price of $3,500 all the way down to $1,700. This would be much safer, but your max borrow amount is significantly less, just about $235,000. If you want a riskier loan, you could drop the number of bands as low as 4. This allows you to borrow the absolute maximum, but your liquidation range is very narrow, between $3,500 to $3,300.